I like to think AI is like my robot helper, but there is, and actually this is the guy I was talking about. There's this guy called Mark Schaefer, and he has a book called Audacious: How Humans Can Win in an AI World. And I have no affiliation with him. I'm not going to get any dollars if you go buy his book or whatever, but he's just been an author in marketing that I followed. And I had him on my podcast because I'm like, man, this is the exact take that everyone wants to know about right now. And his point of view on it, which I love, was basically like the opportunity with AI is actually to be more creative and more human and take more chances and do more human things. And let's use AI to run a lot of the business systems and process and data and do things at scale, and use generative AI to, to produce things that we couldn't produce on our own. But the like, it's gonna be like the last mile problem, right? And that is where the creativity is always going to be the factor for why your thing is successful. And so I think this is going to free us up to be able to spend more of our time focusing on the creativity and the humanity and the emotion of our marketing, and hopefully have a lot of the other work like offset by AI. Because I used to always have this conversation with the team at Drift. I'm like, my job as a marketing leader was to like manage the team, do performance reviews, build board decks, be in spreadsheets. And I'm like, if I'm the best marketer here that we have, if this is like a sports team and my superpower is marketing, like actual marketing, like storytelling, creative, product launches, right? The actual marketing. Do you want me to spend all my time? Do you want me to spend all my time like making board decks and being in spreadsheets for internal meetings about metrics and KPIs, or do you want me to like do the marketing? And so this is what has given me a renewed sense of energy, because candidly, like the reason I got burnt out of a job and being VP of marketing and even CMO is like, actually none of this is marketing, but you have to play the game as you climb the ladder and you become the head of the marketing team.